Facts about psychic gifts in astrology. Did you know that intuition, clairvoyance, and even telekinesis resides in your 12th house? Ruled by Neptune, the 12th house is the veil between worlds. If you have Sun in the 12th, transcending the material world becomes your soul's mission. You live in this world, yet your true essence thrives in the unseen. Your purpose is to serve, heal, and quietly shine from within. If you have the Moon in the 12th, you feel everything, especially what others cannot express. You're emotionally psychic, absorbing unspoken energy like a sponge. If you have Mercury in the 12th house, you think in symbols, dreams, and downloads. Your mind is tuned to the spiritual realm, and you're a natural channel for messages from beyond, whether it's automatic writing, dreams, or natural mediumship abilities. Follow for part 2.